back. Today, we're making a trending dessert, rich and chewy brownie balls. On the table, we have dates, cocoa powder, oats, and smooth nut butter. Simple, healthy, and so delicious. First, add the dates into a bowl. Blend them until they turn soft and sticky. Next, sprinkle in cocoa powder and oats. Add a spoonful of nut butter and mix everything until smooth. Now, roll the mixture into small, bite-sized balls. Soft, round, and chocolatey. Melt some chocolate, dip each ball inside, and let the glossy coating set. Finally, place them in the fridge for a few minutes. And here they are, shiny, fudgy brownie balls, ready to enjoy.